Let's begin by exploring the concept of corporate governance. Corporate governance refers to the system by which companies are directed and controlled. It involves the relationships between a company's management, its board, shareholders, and other stakeholders. At its core, effective corporate governance ensures that companies act in the best interest of all stakeholders, not just the shareholders. Strong corporate governance is critical for maintaining ethical decision-making and long-term sustainability. It establishes accountability mechanisms, ensures transparency, and encourages compliance with both local and global regulations. An example of strong governance would be how companies respond to ethical breaches, like data privacy violations or environmental degradation. Governance structures have increasingly focused on sustainability over the past decade, partly due to the rise of global sustainability frameworks. One key framework that influences governance is the United Nations Global Compact, UNGC, a voluntary initiative encouraging companies to adopt sustainable and socially responsible policies. The 10 principles of the UNGC cover areas such as human rights, labor standards, environmental protection, and anti-corruption measures. Another influential framework is the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which provides 17 interconnected goals aimed at ending poverty, protecting the planet, and ensuring prosperity for all by 2030. Businesses around the world are integrating these goals into their corporate governance strategies, recognizing the role they play in driving sustainability and ethical responsibility. For instance, companies like IKEA and Unilever have integrated the SDGs into their core governance strategies, linking profit with purpose. One key SDG that often aligns with corporate governance is SDG 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. This goal focuses on promoting inclusive, transparent institutions and is highly relevant for organizations looking to enhance their governance structures. By aligning with SDG 16, companies can ensure that their decision-making processes are ethical, transparent, and inclusive. The combination of strong corporate governance and alignment with global sustainability frameworks allows businesses to manage risk more effectively, improve stakeholder trust, and build long-term resilience. As leaders, you must think about how your governance structures can incorporate these frameworks to ensure that your organizations remain both accountable and sustainable.